I didn't even cut my own hair in lockdown, like what got into me. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel once again, and I'm back here with another video and my scissors. So last time I uploaded a video of cutting my own bangs, like my hair to the wolf cut, and one of my juniors commented that you should get a full length cut. Also, those who know me know that I have hypothyroid, and because of the medicines going on, my thyroid TSH levels like went towards minus, which is causing skin issues and hair fall issues. So I thought, why not cut it short? So let's get started and cut my hair. My hair right now is like waist length. It's this long. It's very frizzy because I just took a shower and my hair gets really frizzy. So I am thinking of cutting it like this short, at least like this much length. So let's see how it turns out. Let's get started. Like grab your pair of scissors and hair ties, like 2 or like 3, and a comb. So let's get started. Also have your dustbin with you, and so you know, like do a middle part. I think that's how we do it. I forgot. I mean, I really don't cut my hair much. This is the second time I'm doing it. Now, like after doing a middle part, I think we have to move all our hair like down, like this, and comb it really well into a very very high point. I look so weird and fun. So I tied my hair really high here, and this is the full length. I really don't know how to do it, but one of my best friends from school, Komal, hi. So she used to do it all the time because she had like really curly hair and it didn't matter much for her. But let me do this. I never did that. So I think I'm gonna get off this much length. Is it a lot? I don't know if it's a lot. Yeah, let's do it. So if my hairdresser is watching it, I'll just say have faith in me, okay? Because I don't have faith in myself. Also, for my best friend, she had really curly hair, so pata bhi nahi chalta tha. It used to look good. Amazing! It turns out that way for me too. Komal root in for me. There's one good thing about having long hair, which is even if you mess up, you can always get it right by the hairdresser. Let's do it, okay? She's like, don't do it, don't cut it. So I tied another rubber band because it was not getting straight because my hair is wavy and frizzy. So yeah, let's get this much length off. Now that I look at it, my hair really grew back so long. I mean, this is a picture of me from 2019, I guess, and it grew back long in 2 years. But there's no use of it, you know. I'm really scared this time. Let's just do it. It's okay, it's okay, it's gonna be okay. So I would really get a boy cut, but my mother won't allow it. And the video stopped in between. So yeah, I had to continue it again. And I think it messed up in between. I think I messed it up. But it's okay. Okay, you can see that I messed up a bit. Where's my dustbin? This is the difference because the video was stopped and I had to continue the video. So let's do it. Sheesh. It sucks. I didn't even cut my own hair in lockdown. Like what got into me this year? I'm doing really funny things. straight now. Please, I don't know what's going on here. It's funny to me how I didn't even think of sectioning my hair. Like, I'm cutting my long hair and I didn't even section it. I'm like, who cares? I should have cared for sure. It's better now. I think it's better. Time to reveal the truth, reveal the cut. How do you think it turned out? I look really funny. I should have sectioned it, right? So removing the first hair tie and then the second one. Guys, I'm really scared to see it. Fingers crossed. Someone did a nice job. Again, should I be a hairdresser instead of a makeup artist? What do you guys think? Like, let me just comb it, okay? So I got changed into this light colored t-shirt so you can see it, and after this much length gone, it's this short, appropriate length. I might cut it again if I feel like. Do tell me, should I cut it shorter or it's fine? And do tell me, how does this look? If I did a good job. I think it's fine, and even if it's not. Can I do a thing? No. Should I cry? No. Should we appreciate me? Yes. Should we like the video? Yes. Should you subscribe my channel? Yes. Just don't let your mom see me. She'll say that I'm a bad influence. But yeah. This is how my hair looks. It's frizzy anyways and we cannot help it. I just got it washed and this is the frizziest it can get. So I think for the frizziest hair right now, I did a pretty good job and I didn't even blow dry it. So I think it's okay. We'll see after one more wash, but I think it's okay. I think it turned out good. Like, it suits me, yaar. Tell me you like it too. Like, say something, I'm giving up on you. Okay, so time for a wrap. Thank you for being here in my video. Thank you for watching it till the end, and like, comment and share my video. Do subscribe my channel and turn on bell notifications so that you see my more such crazy videos. Bye bye.